Let's take a look at how easy it is for us to browse different backups. So when you're on a resource such as a Dell, you can see that up in the top left here above the grid, it shows the latest restore point. So today at 5:20 a.m. And the data in the inbox is representative of the last few days. If you ever are missing some data, it's now gone from the latest backup, you can always go back as far as we hold retention points for you. And it's as easy as selecting this button. You'll be presented with a calendar. You can then browse back, and you can see that we populate the little red circle indicates how many restore points we have on that day. And if I want to go all the way back to, say, the 3rd, I can select this. You'll then be presented with the different restore points that we have. So let's just select this one here. The view will refresh. You can then start browsing the data, and you'll notice that the view has changed. And then you can perform any other typical operation that you would be need to. So selecting multiple items and either restoring them back into M365, or of course you can export them out. And in this case, because it's emails, it's going to come down as a PST format, but just made available to you as a nice, simple, easy to consume HTTPS download. And so you can use that functionality to browse as many restore points as we hold for those resources.